Hey, it's John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to reprint a server checkout from the iPad. So you're going to want to sign in as a manager and go to the menu up here at the top right and go to the manager screen. And here at the manager screen, you're going to go down to daily review, and then you're going to want to go to cache. Once you're in cache, you want to find the person's name, the user's name that you want to reprint. So we'll just choose this one here, and the little icon, the little person icon there, you just tap on that and it shows you a preview of the server checkout report, and then you just choose to print the summary, and then that should print to your printer, and that's all there is here. I'll go ahead and make a video on how to do this from the admin portal as well, because there's an option there to do it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.